In front of me is HTC Desire 20 Pro, and let me show you how to activate demo mode on the following device. So at first, just open the settings, then go to System and here click on Advanced. As you can see, developer options are already unlocked, so smoothly enter these options, but if they are not here, you have to unlock them, and if you don't know the trick how to unlock developer options, just take a look at our tutorial on how to do it. And then once you open developer mode, just scroll down a bit and here you'll notice system demo mode. So just click here and now you can activate this feature by tapping on enable demo mode. Now it is active. You can also activate the visible demo mode, so just click on show demo mode and you can see the difference even in the status bar. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.